Between 6 and 8,000 years ago, in what is now Finland, the Baltic countries, and western Russia, there lived a hunter-gatherer culture which made a lot of slate rings about this size. Here are a few complete ones, but the thing about these objects is they mostly turn up fragmented, which is not unusual for an ancient artifact, but this paper demonstrated that the fragments were used and worn extensively after they were broken, so maybe these things were meant to be shared, perhaps as a sign of a bond between people. What really drove this interpretation home, though, was the discovery of a gravesite in Finland in which two people had been buried side by side, and each grave contained a fragment of what had once been the same ring. Here's what they look like put together. Except, who was the third friend? Was this individual still alive when the other two were buried? Did he participate in their burial? Did he look to his own fragment of the ring years down the line and remember his friends who had passed? Lady of the Mercians has a really wonderful video about how the humanity of artifacts is often in their negative spaces. You know, the space inside a shoe is a human foot, and this is a negative space full of humanity.